Hey everyone! Today we're exploring a must-know topic in modern cybersecurity: cloud and virtualization security basics. As more businesses shift to cloud environments and virtualized systems, understanding how to secure them is essential. These technologies are powerful, flexible, and cost-effective, but they also come with unique security challenges. Let's start with cloud computing. Cloud services allow you to store data, run applications, and manage infrastructure over the internet instead of using physical hardware in-house. The main cloud models are IaaS, infrastructure as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, and SaaS, software as a service. Each offers different levels of control, and that means different security responsibilities. In IaaS, like Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure, you're responsible for securing your virtual machines, operating systems, and applications. In SaaS, like Gmail or Dropbox, the provider handles most of the security, but you're still responsible for things like account access and data integrity. This idea is called the shared responsibility model, and it's key to understanding cloud security. One major concern in the cloud is data security. Since your information lives on someone else's infrastructure, you need strong encryption, both in transit and at rest. You also need solid access controls like multi-factor authentication and role-based access to ensure only the right people can get to your data. Another essential concept is data segmentation. In multi-tenant cloud environments, your data might be stored on the same physical hardware as someone else's. Security controls must ensure there's no crossover or leakage between tenants. Isolation and proper access controls are critical here. Next, let's look at virtualization. This is the technology behind virtual machines, software-based computers that run on a single physical system. Each virtual machine, or VM, operates independently, even though they share the same physical hardware. This setup is efficient, but it also introduces risks like VM sprawl, where too many virtual machines are created without proper oversight or security. There's also the risk of hypervisor attacks. The hypervisor is the software layer that manages virtual machines. If an attacker compromises the hypervisor, they can potentially control all the VMs it manages. That's why keeping hypervisors patched and isolated is crucial. In both cloud and virtualized environments, network segmentation, monitoring, and logging play major roles. You want to isolate critical systems, watch for suspicious activity, and keep detailed logs for audits and investigations. And don't forget about snapshot management. While snapshots can help with quick backups and rollbacks, they can also be a target if not secured properly. Security in these environments also relies on automation and policy enforcement. Tools like Cloud Security Posture Management, CSPM, and Identity Access Management, IAM, help enforce consistent security rules even across complex and dynamic cloud setups. As the world continues moving to the cloud and virtualization, the importance of securing these environments only grows. Whether you're storing sensitive data, hosting web apps, or running entire infrastructures, knowing how to lock down your cloud and virtual machines is non-negotiable.